Welcome back to the channel. Y'all see what's going on. It's your boy Smash 8 in the building. Y'all see where we at. Good old Dare to Dream Motorsports, man. My home, my little spot, you know what I'm saying? My boy Jeremy take care of me with everything that I got going on with this car. You know what I mean? This little whip right here. So as you see, got my little mask right here, you know, gotta stay safe, man. So it's been a minute since I made a video. Been going through a lot of things. I lost my pops, man. Yeah, man, sorry about that, man. Definitely rest in peace to my pops, man. I also lost my cousin as well, man. It's just been crazy. A week after I lost my cousin, so rest in peace to my cousin as well. So really been going through some things, just trying to make the best of it, just trying to, you know, keep my mind focused and stay positive and, you know, connect the dots, really. So 2022, man, it's a new year, you know, January 2022 right now is what we in, and we just trying to move forward and make the best and positive moves that we can right now. So as you see right here, right off the bat, man, we've been doing quite a bit of things. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done an update. Not necessarily everything on the outside, but under there, that's where it gets nasty. But let's appreciate the fitment. Look at the fitment. Woo! Don't worry about that dent. We're gonna get that taken care of. You know, that happened during the younger days, you know what I mean? And it wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault, actually. Somebody backed into me. And look at this right here. Ooh, we got the meats. I hate that rust as you see in there on the caliper. And on the, as you see right there, we had to grind the caliper. I have to probably zoom in so you can see it. We had to grind the caliper down right there for these big meats to fit and this rusted ass rotor. So I'm gonna either paint that or buy some new ones. But the car, as you see, is dirty as hell. But it's still hitting so nicely in this sun. It's hitting literally beautifully in this sun. So let's get down to it. So like I said, it's been a while since I gave you guys an update, but that don't mean we've been stopping. We still moving forward. We still making things happen. So as you see right here, a lot of things are just mocked up right now. Some things are actually in place, some things are mocked up, some things are changing. So right now, this is kind of still like the mocked up pre-stage right here, as you see. So right off the bat, look at the front end. As you see, we got a new crash bar right here. Yeah, shout out to my ashy ass hands. But anyway, we got a new crash bar right here. That thing looks beautiful. So when I was here last time, it was actually raw, and my boy Jeremy just told me he painted it for me. What a nice surprise, man. And this is my first time actually looking at it with you guys, so that shit looks really good. I like that. We got the good old Treadstone 1245 intercooler, 1000 horsepower intercooler right there. So shouldn't have no problem with the intake temperatures now at all. No problem. We got the transcooler moved in the back, as you can see right there. That's the True Cool style 40K. So we got that back there now. Once again, no problem with the trans temps. Those are working perfectly. As you see right there, we got all hard piping. We still got a couple couplers coming off the intercooler, which I'm not really mad about or anything like that. Don't mind those because I didn't have no problem with these. These actually was pretty cool. I didn't have any problem with these, so we kept those. But as you can see, I'm gonna get on the ground for this. Under here, we got, like I said, a lot of things are just mocked up. So things are just tied back, and these are not the lines we're using as well. We're using different lines. These are like headlight wires and stuff right here. Yeah, it's pretty crazy under here. So like I said, a lot of things are just tied back and mocked up. But as you can see right here, we now have a oil cooler. So that's not connected now, as you can see, but it is mocked up in the place where it needs to go. So sorry for having you guys upside down right there, but anyway, so like I said, that's tucked in the back right there. But man, this thing is coming along beautifully, man. Really nicely. As you see, my headlight is missing. So once again, shout out to my guy Jack at Simple Imports, man. Simple_imports on Instagram, man. Big shout out to him. What he did was, I'll have to show you guys. He and maybe I'll just insert a picture right here. So yeah, as you see, what he did was he took the headlight and he took all the damn wires and stuff that were sticking out this way, I guess you can say. He mounted it to the bottom of the headlight, so now we was able to put a nice free flowing pipe right there without any issues. And as you see, that looks really good right there. Look at the pie cuts on there, man. So we gonna pop the hood. We gonna show you guys what's going on. I actually want to show you a couple things what's going on in the shop as well. It looks pretty good. As you see, Jeremy's over there working on this little Cadillac. You probably can't see, but Cadillac is kind of kicking his ass. He ain't really too happy about electrical work. But we gonna get into this right here. So, man, I'm excited. I'm excited. I haven't heard this thing run. I might start it, I might not. I don't know. I don't know how Jeremy got it, so probably don't want to do all that, but for sure I'm gonna pop the hood and show you guys what's going on. So as you see right here, missing the side markers. I had got some new ones made. Cold, they was cold. But unfortunately they didn't fit the circle, so had to redo it, buy some new ones, and we're gonna redo those. And like I said, my father passed away, so I might do a little tribute, put his initials in there or something like that. So we'll see how that goes. I'm really thinking about that. I like how that I did actually. So just look how the paint, and like I said, this shit is dirty, but this thing is hidden. All right, so all right, like I said, let's appreciate the lights. We hit the unlock. Ooh, sequentials. Them things are raw. Them things are nasty. So, all right, let's pop the hood. Up. I thought I was in up. My dumb ass. You got to pull the latch. All right, so let's try this again. All right. You see it's dirty as hell in there, man. I ain't cleaning anything or shit like that, but it's still look good. Still look good. Needs a nice little vacuum or detail, but nonetheless, this is where the magic happens. Ooh, sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You guys see what's going on. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this, man. So let's back out. Let's get appreciation. Well, let's not go too far so you guys can see it. Let's get a nice appreciation so you can see what's going on. Looking real nice. Like I said, things are mocked up. Things are not in the places that it needs to be. So we're still, you know, don't get the nitpicking, doing too crazy. Like I said, I'm gonna break it down a little bit and show what's going on. So let's get into it. All right. So as you see right off the bat, we got the beautiful 4-inch piping. Beautiful 4-inch piping, and this thing is thick as hell. Thick as hell. Right there, connected. We got the, look at these vibrant clamps. Oh my goodness, these things is going to look real nice when this gets powder coated. Real nice. So we got the 4-inch piping coming down. We got the MAV housing right here. Then it comes down to a step. We got another beautiful clamp right here. That thing is gorgeous. Look at these pie cuts. Oh my goodness. So it comes all the way down to one coupler. You know what I mean? Like I said, we didn't have no problem with these couplers. Up here, as you remember, we had, so it came up, it came to one coupler, then it came to the MAV housing to another coupler like that, and then it came into a 90 degree into the throttle body. Now we have no couplers up here at all. So when this get powder coated, this is going to look really, really good. Even, I mean, it looks really good right now in my opinion, but it's going to look really good once it gets that color on there. So like I said, we'll follow it all the way down, and as you can see, it comes right into that big intercooler. We'll come all the way over, we'll follow it up. You see it gets tight. We got one more coupler right there. Didn't have no issues right there. We are going to change that clamp. I do want at least a T-bolt clamp on these to make sure no issues at all, but didn't have any issues right there. So we're going to come all the way up. You'll follow it, and man, look at these wells. He did a good ass job with these. And on this side, we're going to a 3-inch. Right there, we're going to a 4-inch. So like I said, it might be very slight pressure drop, if any, But like I said, this big boy, it's a lot, so we're gonna really push that air. So it comes around into this beautiful, you know, nice Pro Charger. And actually this thing got beat up a little bit, as you can see right there, but just because it was mounted down there and it was rubbing quite a bit on the different places, but it looks gorgeous. As you can see, comes around to, you know what I mean, where the magic happens. D1X Pro Charger, man. So definitely excited about this. This thing looks amazing. And as you can see, we got the porch right there for the meth. So we still got the dual meth going in there as well. We're gonna clean a couple things up, make sure everything looks well. As you can see, I tried to wipe this down so that didn't look all ashy and stuff. Now I like the way that looks now. It looks really good. This thing, I'll give you guys another video on this, but yeah, this thing is actually leaking. So yeah, but the good thing about this, I ain't gonna go too much into detail. Like I said, I might make another video on that. We got another one coming, and it's not gonna cost me the whole price for that. So definitely excited about that. Extremely excited about that, because that's damn near a $500 radiator. Yeah, full aluminum radiator right there, very expensive. So like I said, look at this engine bay. Look at this, man. This shit looks amazing. Like I said, it's not the final product. As you can see, shit's everywhere. You know, like I said, everywhere. It's not, the wires are everywhere. These are all the headlight wires and stuff like that. It's all everywhere. So, you know, still got to move this over so they can adjust this, because it was rubbing or hitting right there. So we just got to adjust it down there. You know what I mean? So things are just still mocked up. Things still got to get adjusted and everything like that. But as you can see, look at the product. I mean, it literally speaks for itself. Literally speaks for itself. As you know, we got another pulley coming, or it's not coming, it's actually in there, and it's a little smaller than this one, so we didn't even get to run that for that long. But as you see, I move a little fast sometimes when I'm trying to get things done. So excited about this build. I can't wait, man. I really can't wait. So we really gonna see how these good old, as you see right there, kind of hard to tell, them JPI heads right there. Yeah, it's tucked in there, as you can see. Kind of hard to see, sun all in the way. But yeah, them JPI heads, we gonna see how well them joints flow. We gonna say, my boy says a big port on there, real huge port. He say they flow a significant, insane amount of cc's on them joints. So we really gonna push this air through here, and we gonna see how it goes, man. Like I said, I'm very excited, man. Let's just appreciate it. And like I said, shout out to my boy Jeremy. Jeremy always get me together, man. They're the Dream Motorsports, man. Definitely shout out to my boy. So we're gonna come in here. I'm gonna just show you a couple things that's going on in here. My battery is actually about to die. I try to charge it up just to get this quick little video and show you guys what's going on. So as you see, like I said, this thing is kind of kicking his ass. He ain't too happy about this, but man, look at the shop. Look at the shop. It's looking real good. Looking real good. He's getting close on this. He's getting real close on this. So he had a couple parts that came in on this. So he was actually telling me that it's getting real close to the first start. Real close on that. So I know my boy is really happy to hear about that. Euro, I know you're happy to hear about that. So definitely, look at this crazy ass wing though. Look at this. Insane. Insane. He got the arrow on there now as well to match it. Look at that full carbon. You see, this is a track car. Funny ass plate. This is one of them track cars, probably time attack cars, one of them joints. Joint look nice. My boy Jason's truck over here, his wiring harness came in, but sadly they sent the wrong one. So look at this splitter, man. You gotta make sure you don't hit that thing. So sadly they sent the wrong one, so had to send that back. So hopefully the harness will be coming soon for this. This is Jeremy's little project car. So, you know, as you know, he's a shop owner and basically one-man mechanic. Yeah, Will up in here. Will comes in there and help out a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. You know, Will come and do what he do. So the car sits there, you know, he'll start on that car, you know. But this thing right here, this thing is beautiful, man. When you really just look and appreciate the details that goes on with this thing is amazing. So he's actually telling me he gonna push this motor back, I think he said another 6 or 16 inches, something crazy, basically where it's damn near a mid mount, you know what I mean, and trying to get the weight a little bit better on this and everything like that. But if he's able to pull this off, that will be insane. But let's look, man, let's just show you some of the things that he got going on up in here. Look at this roll cage. Crazy. And Jeremy basically does everything that goes on with this car. Literally. I was telling him I like how he got the steering wheel mounted up. That shit's sick. And then he told me he got the one for the helmet as well. I was like, that's sick as hell. Look at that bad boy right there. As you see, sequential shifter. This thing, I mean, just really appreciate it. That's a mount for his little, I think, catalyst tablet or something like that. It helps him with the maps on the race car track and shit. It's real sick as hell. Very expensive as well, but this thing is just sick. Sick, sick, sick. Man. And as you know, or as you can see, the wrap is from Crazy Ass Wrap, but he's actually sponsored by them. So, you know, he got that going on. And as you can see, a couple of his other sponsors on there as well. Or things he's trying to make happen, man. Like I said, this thing is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this thing, man. Very nice. So, dope ass, you know, shit going on in the shop. As you can see, oh, once again, gotta watch out. All right, let me show you before I close this video out. Like I said, my camera is about to die. This joint on 12%. But look at these bad boys over here. Sheesh. Fresh. He told me about these. I said, yeah, I gotta check those out. Man, that looks real good. Yeah, them joints look good. I said, man, I gotta get me something like that, man. He's like, yeah, these are about, you know, these are about $4,000 or something like that. I said, woo, I can't do that. I can't do that. He said that is for the front and the rear, but yeah, I can't do that. I ain't trying to do that. So I'm definitely gonna give me some 6 pistons. I might give me some 4 pistons just to start off, because I desperately need brakes. Desperately need brakes for sure. So I upgraded my man said I can probably just upgrade the brake pads on them, which I might do that. I mean, literally, this is probably like my 3rd set that I put on there. Apparently they're not race sets, so we'll see how we change that. But the pads are down there as much as the damn calipers, so you know, really ain't no point of doing that. You might as well just upgrade to the damn calipers. So we'll see how we do that. We'll see how that goes. But man, but like you say, shout out to my boy. They're the Dream Motorsports. Now as you see over here, he's coming back over here to mess around with this damn good old Cadillac that he is. Well, it's not his, actually, it's a customer's, but like I said, he's not too fond of it right now. He's on the move, as you can see, man. He's on the move. But like I said, man, big shout out to my boy Jeremy, and I always appreciate you. He knows I appreciate you, man. I come up to just hang out with him sometimes, as you can see, man. So definitely appreciate my boy. Big shout out to him, man. We about to get ready to close this video out, so